One of Uma's main tasks is to monitor how each account manager is performing over time. She already has a chart showing their overall performance, but she wants to be able to see the sales trends for each of them at a glance. A great way to do this is using sparklines, which is basically a tiny chart that fits into a single cell. Sparklines can be found in the Insert tab in the ribbon. To insert a sparkline, you can either select the data you want to graph or the cell where you want it to go. Let's click on cell G21 to get a sparkline for corner bets and go up to sparklines within the Insert tab. Let's click on Line. And now we need to specify the data range, which are the cells C21 all the way to F21. Now click OK. And there you have a mini graph for corner bets, which is a sparkline. This has created a clear visual trend line, and if you look up in your ribbon, we have also now brought up a brand new ribbon tab for working just with sparklines. If you need to change your data range, just click on Edit Data, edit single sparklines data, and you can adjust the sparkline data range. I'm just going to click Cancel. In a large data set, we wouldn't have the time to create individual sparklines for each record. But here's the magic. You don't need to. Sparklines can be copied using the fill handle. Click on the fill handle in cell G21 and drag it down. Just a note, double-clicking the fill handle does not work with sparklines. And now you can see the sparklines showing the trend for each of the account managers. When you create sparklines this way, they are automatically grouped, which means that if you change one, you change all. For example, click back in cell G21. Let's change it from a line to a column. Go across to Type and click on Column, and in one click you can see all the lines have changed into columns. We can also change the style. Go across to the Style Gallery and browse through a style that you like. Let's change it to a very light blue. And now we've changed all of the sparklines. You can even highlight key values using the Show checkboxes. For example, we'd like to see the best year for each account manager. So I'm going to check High Point. And there you can see the highest point for each account manager has now turned green. If you want a different color, you can adjust this too by coming to the marker color and changing the color by going to High Point and choosing a different color, let's say a shade of yellow. If for some reason you do want to ungroup the sparklines, for example corner bets as an ideal example which we want to highlight in a different color, we can do that too. Select the sparklines that we want to ungroup, so click on cell G21 and go back to your sparkline tab and click on Ungroup. Let's change the color so that it's noticeably different from the others. I'll change that to a shade of orange, and now you can see the sparkline for corner bets is completely different in color from everyone else's. Finally, clicking Delete will not remove a sparkline. You need to delete them using the Clear options in the ribbon. Click on Clear Options and you'll notice that the sparkline for corner bets has disappeared. Undo to get it back. Sparklines have given Uma a great visualization tool for monitoring how each account manager is performing. Make sure you spend some time getting more familiar with it.